Yo, yo, yo. How's it going, everyone? Welcome. Sweet, we're ready. Hope everyone's good, guys. Let me get my screen on. How many have we got right now? We've got 10 in right now, guys. Yeah, like I say, guys, if you just joined, welcome, guys. Darren, Brian, James. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome. Yeah, I'm gonna break gold down fully in a second. What I'm seeing, but like I say, if you've just tuned in right now, let's see who's here. I'll start breaking gold down in a sec, guys. All right. This volume to the downside is quite clean for sells. If we do start breaking a bit lower, but we're gonna have to wait for that. Got some decent levels to break below, but I'll start breaking that down in a second. We haven't got long until a closure here anyway. Oh, let me turn this down a little bit. Sound. But yeah, guys, welcome to the stream. I'll start breaking down in a sec. Bear with me. Right, let's have a look at gold here. Just having a look at the daily really quickly. Ooh, look at the daily. The daily's doing, if we look at the daily's doing exactly what I thought we would do yesterday. Flip bearish and continue to push down. You know, yesterday, can you see we took the highs, we didn't follow through. You know, we still didn't break above we haven't closed above any daily highs to continue higher. So could we just continue down? After not closing above, possibly. What I'm actually looking for is if we are going to break below some levels, I'm going to be looking to try and sell gold into some of these lows here. Okay, you can see, like, if you just look to the left, guys, if you just look to the left, you can see low, 3 lows untested, unliquidated. So it's just so much liquidity. You need to think about it this way, like, what are retail doing at these levels up here? They're buying gold, for example, here, look. 1 second. They're buying gold at this level, look. Resistance, acting as support to continue higher. One sec, guys. Yeah. What are retail doing at this level, look? Resistance, acting as support. They're going to start looking for longs here. Where they're going to have the stop losses. Well, they think their stop losses are safe on these lows, they're down here too. And all that creates is just so much liquidity down here to look to target. So I think that gold's probably going to push down, take these lows. Once it takes these lows, then we could see a reaction. Okay, that's something I'm probably going to look at. And I'm not going to just wait for price. I'm not just going to wait for price to come all the way down here and then start looking for longs. No. If we start closing below my levels, I'm going to be looking for sells into these lows. Okay. Let's have a look at the 15. Right, so in terms of ranges, what am I looking at in terms of ranges? I'm probably going to be looking for buys back above, potentially here. Maybe a little bit higher. Just because of this resistance to the left, look. Resistance. Like, even now, recent price action, we've acted as resistance here. So it wouldn't be smart to start looking for buys until you got a closure above here, just because of how well we've reacted from it before. Let's see who's here. 15 in, guys. Welcome. Like I say, guys, drop a like on the video. It wouldn't be good to start looking for buys, like for example here, because look, you're just coming into a big level of resistance where you could reverse from. That's not what I'm going to be looking for. I'm personally going to be looking for buys back above here at about 31, 33. Big resistance here. Even a little bit of support here, but that was just news yesterday with Trump. Let's have a look really quickly. Forex Factory today. Nothing that's going to affect the London session whatsoever, guys. Like I say, we've got London. It's London session now. Nothing to do with the US here. So that's, you know, unemployment claims. Nothing to do with us, really. Well, it has got something to do with us, but not just yet. Okay. In terms of sells, you know, we've got some decent sells below here. Decent sell level here. I did have my level a little bit higher. But I'm just going to wait to see if we're going to get a closure below here first. I'm going to see if we get a closure below here. Okay. Yeah, that's probably what I'm looking at on gold. See if we get a closure. Like I said, there's no recent liquidity grabs, which is annoying. Not the cleanest price action to come into, but like I say, we'll see. Even just a little bit lower here is clean too. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. That's what that's what I like. Just from looking, like I say, you've got support here, but just looking to the left too. Look, support, 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 resistance, resistance. This is fine for me. So that is my range for this session right now. And obviously, downside targets, look at them, which I've already mentioned before. Nice downside targets there on gold. The problem is, though, you have broke through the level here that I had, this sort of like support. You broke through it, but the way you've taken liquidity above market just isn't super clean. I think this level for me is better, because even if you do start closing below here, which you are doing, if you come back into this other level and then reverse, you'll be annoyed that you didn't see this level. I'd rather just clear that and then look for sells. Cheers for the lights, guys. Nice one. Appreciate it. Smashing it. Trump's signing of tariffs has caused a lot of volatility. Yeah, 100%. The volatility yesterday was crazy. Look at these candles, guys. Like 300 ticks. 300 ticks, like 15-minute candles in and out of 300 ticks. Crazy. And the ranges are quite big as well. Look how big the ranges are. Like, it's very, not rare, but having a 130, 140 tick range on gold isn't like a standard normal range. Our average range is like, I trade what the market's showing me, but my average range, I'd say, is normally about 50 to 60 ticks. Like, it's almost double that. Morning, Joe. We witnessed a push from the 15-minute candles yesterday morning. We might see the same. Yesterday morning or here? Here? Yeah. Possibly. Like I said, the range yesterday was nice, look. London range here, very, very, very clean. Breakout was nice too. I know a few of the members caught that. I was looking for longs here, but it came into a level, so I couldn't take it. But yeah, some clean price action there in London yesterday for sure. But yeah, welcome to the stream, Aaron, mate. Guys, can you let me know something? Are you getting notifications when I go live from YouTube? Are they coming up on your phone or whatever? Just drop a comment in here. If you are, please let me know. Like, when I go live, does it say that I'm live or not? Like, does a notification come up on your phone? I'm just interested. Yes, mate, nice, perfect. Right, I'm happy about that. Brian, yes, sir, perfect. Appreciate that, guys. Nice one for letting me know. Just because, like, I did get them on my phone, and then it stopped. Probably because they updated it where the person who's going live doesn't get a notification for their own live. But, yeah, nice one, Darren. Yeah, it's just because it stopped on mine for some reason. But I don't need to know when I go live myself. I just wanted to know if it stopped for anybody else. As long as you tick all on subscribe. Ah, nice. I actually didn't realize that. Oh, is that what it is then? Yeah, it might be. It might be something to do with that, actually. Yeah, it might be something to do with people 18 in now, guys. Nice. Nice. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking for, guys. Like I say, if you got any questions whilst we're waiting for gold to set up, just drop a question in. I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for buys above here because this is the cleanest range, guys. Like, there's so many people who trade based off how they want the market to be when it's not, if that makes sense. Like, a lot of traders will be saying, okay, I want to trade this range here because I'm only wanting to trade a 15 tick range or a 20 tick range, when realistically the structure of the market and what the market's showing at the time isn't that. This is what it's showing. For me personally, obviously people are going to have slightly different ranges. For example, someone might have their range here, but they're still trading off structure, which is absolutely fine. That's absolutely how you should do it. They're not trading off how they feel. You know, when you start looking at the market for what it is and not how you feel, then like so many people will go, okay, I'm entering here with a 12 tick stop loss because that's what I stick to every single time. It's never going to work because you're not trading the market, you're trading your emotions. Like, you're trading the stop loss that you want. Oh, sharing the YouTube live thing. Yeah, right, sweet. That's just for people who've just tuned in. You understand what I'm looking for now? How's everyone's day been so far then? Anybody traded Asia? This is literally my first look at the charts, really. I updated the community, but this is my first, like, full breakdown of the charts, like, top down. Yo, Keybiz, how's it going, bro? Welcome, Mark, bro. How are you doing, Matt? Yeah, decent little... Decent little range right here on gold. Ugh. Chilly one today. Beautiful. I'm good, mate. How are you? Yeah, I'm good, thanks, bro. How's your week been so far, guys? How's everyone's week been? Good? A bit slow? For me, personally, I'm still up for the week. Guys, like, I'm not complaining. I made, like, 2k in one trade on NQ. Like, I'm not complaining at all about the week. But in terms of gold, I think gold... Wow, look at that. In terms of gold, I think gold's been a little bit slow. Just because it's been ranging. Look, every day, you've had a range. Monday, ranged. Tuesday, ranged. Yesterday, big range until news. Like, there's been, in our sessions, some sort of range. So, how's everyone's week been on that one so far? Got some top steps to activate too. Keep forgetting about that. Minor loss for me this week, but still today and tomorrow. Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. Like I say, it's not a loss if you're sticking to the plan. If you understand that the plan long-term works and you're sticking to it, it doesn't matter what the results are. If you're sticking to it and the valid trades over time, it really doesn't matter at all. Guys, back in 30 seconds. Right. Definitely, just stick to the plan. Everything else sorts itself out. That's how it is. Right, do you know what? Yeah, welcome everyone to the stream. Guys, if you've got any questions at all, drop a question in. We're gonna go Yeah, it's just like I say, it's just about waiting for these clauses now. 15-minute, look, you can see that that's where the structure is. If you look to the left too. Just realised I'm not subbed. Get subbed, bro. Let's go. Yeah, guys, if you haven't dropped a subscribe yet, make sure you do. How many have we got in right now, guys? 16. Welcome, everyone. Like I say, guys, let's smash the like button if you haven't already. It does help. Some targets for cells. Dun, 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 dun. Some nice targets for cells. Yeah, there is, man. Very, very nice targets for cells. Like we mentioned at the start of the stream, you've got like 3 laws that haven't been liquidated. You know, look, law 1, law 2, law 3. I think if you get a nice strong clause below here, cells into there are really nice. Yeah. And even for buys, look, you can see that overall, you've got like an area here, like a nice level to look to trade into here. So even if you get above your range, you've still got like 100 tick range into that level. So this is just a clean range to be trading. Dun, 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 dun. Let's have a look at this. Joe, do you ever manage your trades on the 1 minute chart? Is there a 1 minute pattern? No, mate. I never look at the 1 minute. It's crazy. I think so anyway. I'll no way, man. You know, the one always takes highs and lows, so there's not really a way you can manage it. Like, you'll always be taking highs and lows on the one. I just manage on the time frame I enter on. Simple as that. There's no need to make it more complicated. You know, enter and manage on that exact time frame. Micromanagement just leads to closing positions because you see something on a lower time frame that you shouldn't be. You know? Hopefully it doesn't stick in the range too long today. Hopefully it doesn't stick in the range too long today. I don't think so. I don't think so, mate. If we break out, I think we're good for the day. You know, look, head and shoulders here too. Could we potentially push into that right shoulder before you push down? Anton, it's deleted a message. The bot in the chat has deleted a message, so whatever you put, rewrite it. It says message retracted from me, but it's not. It's a bot. If you've got a question, just rewrite it. You're welcome, guys. Welcome. There's a... Yeah, yesterday was hard work. Yeah, Darren, 100%, mate. Within here, it was hard work. Definitely. That's the thing as well, though. Just waiting for these clauses here that you're seeing. It's key. Yo guys, welcome. Cheers for the follows. If you're just tuning in on TikTok, head over to YouTube, guys. My full screen's there. Adham, please teach me if you can. Feel free to join the community if you want, bro. Yeah, guys on TikTok, if you want to go and see the full screen, just click the YouTube link in my TikTok bio and get over to the YouTube. My full trading screen's there. When you head over, just let us know in the YouTube comments that you've come over from TikTok too. I'm interested to see how many come over. Yo guys. Adam, you can feel free to join the Discord community, mate. I've got a Telegram as well. Not much goes in there, or just tune into the YouTube. That's absolutely fine. There's a few ways for you to go for it, bro. Yes, let me know if you have any questions, guys. How's it going? Welcome. Exactly, that's good, mate. You want to learn how to read charts, but you don't want to copy trade. That's absolutely fine. That's how you should be learning to do it. That's exactly the way, bro. Will we have further dip? Potentially. I'm waiting for closes below level if we are going to have a push lower. Stream health's on fire. I like the way you explain it. I really want to understand it. Nice one. Yeah, Adam, like I said, there's a few ways that you can learn. There's a few ways you can learn, bro. It depends the route that you want to go as well. Guys, if you want to see my analysis for the day, just head over to my YouTube. You can see my full screen there, guys. You can see literally everything that I'm looking at. All right. I'm just keeping my eye on this connection. It's quite low because I'm live on TikTok at the same time. Where you from, Adam? Where you from, bro? Lovely stuff. Drop me a DM. Lovely stuff. Yeah. Drop me a DM. I can't say it on TikTok, fortunately. I'm in the UK. Yeah, I live near Manchester, mate. I live near Manchester. Yeah, waiting for this closure here, guys. Waiting for this closure. Not much else we can do until we close out. One sec, guys. Why have I just like that? Yeah, guys, drop a like on the drop a follow on this account if you've just joined. Hi, could we meet for coffee? I don't meet for coffee. I'll probably do a meetup at some point, but that'll just be with Discord members. It won't be for just anybody. Only community members will be able to get the meetup. Unfortunately, mate. Like I say, if you want the mentorship, and you want to learn exactly how I trade, just join the Discord community, bro. You'll be able to learn everything there. You'll be able to get in all the members' Zoom chats. You'll be able to access to the full course, everything. Let me put it in. I don't really put it in too often, but I'll put it in. I don't market it as much. How did you draw the support and resistance lines? Stephen Smith, head over to the YouTube, mate. You'll be able to see. Are you on the YouTube? Oh, okay. The way I draw the support and resistance lines is just basic structure in the markets where prices reacted from a few times, recent price action, and maybe a little bit to the left if needed. Normally, I just look at the most recent price action, the most recent support and resistance. If there's not too much, I'll look to the left, like to add and build the level up. But normally, like even if you just look at this, here, you can see that you've got resistance and support and a little bit of support here. That's all you need. Where you from, Joe? Near Manchester, but like I say, about 30 to 40 minutes away. Yeah, I have videos, guys, in the Discord. Everything's in video content. How can I join your Discord? There's a link maybe in the free Telegram. If you want to join the free Telegram, just go to my TikTok bio. It should be there. If anybody who's interested in joining the Discord community mentorship, head over to the YouTube. I've just put it in the comments. I'm from Chesterfield. Sound close? Not too close, mate. I'm near Burnley. Burnley, Blackburn area. Or if you're interested, guys, just drop me a message on TikTok and I'll message you after this live. I'll be on live for probably another 30 to 40 minutes, and then that'll be me. Cheers for the follows on YouTube too, guys. Appreciate it. Rochdale, nice. Rochdale. That's not too far. Yo, guys, let me have a look at this. Like Darren said, he said, I hope we don't range for too long. And now it's just ranged. You're 20 minutes away from me, really? $20 minutes. Yeah, Rochdale's not too far. It's like basically Manchester, innit? I think. I don't know. I only live in. I'm not in the UK. Hardly. What pair you trading? Gold. Head over to the guys. Anybody in the TikTok here? Go to my link. Click my YouTube. I'm live on YouTube. The full screen's there. Another rangy day. I hope not, mate. Asia's been clear. Like if you trade Asia, like there's some nice entries on the way down. Dun, 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 dun. Caught the drop from 31.50 in Asia. Nice. Yeah, Asia was sweet. Yeah, Asia was nice. The push down was crazy. 300 ticks. Yeah, every single day though. It's not just been like, it's been ranging in US and London, and then Asia's just been pushing. Like, look, Asia push, London range, little dip in the US, Asia push. Nice work, man. Do you trade Asia session? No, I don't trade Asian session. When I was living in Thailand, I did. When I was living in Thailand, I did. And Vietnam, I did. But now I'm back in the UK, I don't. You know, I travel traded Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam for like almost 2 years and traded, which was cool. Right, I'm gonna wrap this TikTok up really quickly, guys, on YouTube. Give us 30 seconds. Right, guys, I'm off. If you wanna come and watch my full screen, head over to my YouTube. You can see my full screen. Head over to my YouTube and I'll see you there. Link in the TikTok bio, okay? Peace. Right, guys, we're done. Just wrap that up really quickly. Right, let's see what YouTube's saying, guys. Welcome, welcome. Right. Let's see the comments. Another rangy day, yeah. The Asian people used to say to me, "Oh, Joe, Asia doesn't move. Asia this, Asia that." Asia is probably one of the cleanest sessions. If I could trade it, I'd be all over it. You know. But yeah, I'm still waiting for a breakout here, guys. What leverage do you use for percentage of profit do you aim for? My leverage is... The thing is, though, I don't ever go near the leverage on the account. I never really need leverage. Because I only take like 1 to 2 positions a day. And at one time, I'll take a maximum of 2 positions. Like, normally, 9 times out of 10, I've only got 1 position running at a time. So I never go anywhere... I never need huge leverage. It's never something that I've needed. So I've never really had to even think about it. What percentage do I use? I'd say about 1% on average. If I take a loss that's a full loss, it'll probably be like 1% of the account. But I never really take full losses. You know, I cut when I'm wrong very, very early. Yes, guys, if you're not already, drop a like on the video, like I say. What percentage do I normally aim for take profit? Again, you need to understand that risk to reward and how much you aim for isn't what the market cares about. Okay, the market, you know, one sec, let me get this back up. The market doesn't care. The market doesn't care about how much percentage you're aiming for. And I never look at a trade and I go, okay, I'm only taking profit at 2% profit. That's not the way to trade. Always look at the market and be happy what it gives you, because you're trading the chart and you're not trading your percentage gain, okay? Like if gold gives me one day 15 ticks because that's where my partials was and it hit me a break even, and then the next day it gives me 50, or the next day it gives me negative 10, like cheers for the likes, guys. Nice one. Cheers for the subscribers as well. Nice. Let's wait for this closure. We've been waiting for this closure for how long we've been on stream now? An hour. An hour. What is the stream health like? Good. If you got any questions, guys, feel free to get a question in. Do I trade on a funded account? Yeah, right now I do, because like I said, I've got money elsewhere. I've got money, like, not just in funded accounts, got money in, like, long-term and crypto and stuff. So, yeah, I do trade funded accounts. Funded accounts are great whilst they're here. You know, if you can still make the same amount as you would with your personal, I don't see why not. Yeah, I've got, like, 350k in funding. Something, yeah, 350k in funding. Gotta start work, bro. Keep me updated if it. Yeah, definitely, bro. I will do, mate. I'll keep you updated in the gold chat. Keep you updated in the gold chat, bro. What is? Are we going to get a breakout on gold here? Is it risky to say? Yeah, for sure. Because look at the left here, DK. Look at what price did. Didn't have a clue what it wanted to do. And then as soon as you break out, one second, look, as soon as you actually cleanly break out, look at the move. Like, it's the same now. Look at the 15. The 15's doing absolutely nothing. Even if you try catching, look, pushed up, you try catching longs, push straight down. You know, push down, try catching shorts, push straight up. Like, this is definitely something I stick to. Is trading. The only thing I look for sometimes is if price will come down, sweep liquidity, close strong, then maybe I'll take like some low risk trades here, because you can catch some really nice reversals like here. But that's not often. Maybe like 1 to 2 times per month I'll take one of them trades. The best trades for me are closes above and below. Dun, dun, dun. Hourly's rejected nicely, to be fair. If this hourly can get above this level, then yeah, you're probably on, but gold in my sessions this week just hasn't been super clean. What is NQ saying? Not much. Have we created a range there on NQ? Potentially. Nothing just clean. Nah. Nothing super clean for me just yet on NQ. If you want me to have a look at any other pairs, guys, if you've got any other pairs that you want me to have a look at, drop them in the comments and I'll have a look at them, okay? Drop them in the comments, I'll have a look at your pairs. If you're trading anything other than gold. You could have a level here, okay? You could have a level here. That's not a problem. And I know a few probably do have a range like so. But just understand, and I don't like that you've literally got this here. So you know, if you get a strong close above, say here, you've got another level just in the way. So I'm just gonna keep this for now. Dun, 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 dun. It's all about patience, guys. You need to realize that 90% of trading is patience, waiting, sitting on your hands. Okay? The rest of it is the execution, so, you know. When it goes down below the sell line, it returns back quickly. Do you manage to profit on these? Yeah, 100%. Definitely. A lot of the time, if you close below this level, if you close below and price is going to push down and then reverse, it's going to take your liquidity. So at this level, if we close here and price does this, well, I'd have capitalized, I'd have took profit here anyway. I'd have already been in and out of the market, so it doesn't really matter if it does do that. Nice one for the lights, guys. Let's smash 15 lights, guys. We're at 12. 3 more if you haven't already. Make sure you drop a like on the video. On the live. Let's smash 15. Patience pays always. Like yesterday, patience paid. I know a few of the members took some shorts on gold. And that was just all patience. Like, they took sells on this push down. You know, they had to remain patient in this range here. You know, it's the same thing now. We're just in a range. .30-minute range. And then you've got another level. Bit choppy is this. Welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome. Like me about yesterday was at 3 PM getting a bit annoyed for gold not giving setups for 2 days, then 2 hours later breakout now. Yeah, exactly, Ben. And that's what I mean. Like we're paid to wait at the end of the day. Like, stop getting itchy fingers and sit on your hands. Like, I don't care if I have to wait a full day, not take a trade, and then I can only take a trade US session the day after. Like, I have to wait for a day and a half. So what? So what? And it's a bad mindset to have where you're saying, I'm like, if somebody says, for example, I don't know, I want to be taking more trades because I want to be making money. I'm not making money if I'm not taking positions, this and that. Like, the market doesn't care that you want to make money. Gold doesn't give a shit about you wanting to make money. Like, come on. Do you really think that gold cares about, you know, I don't know, like me? A 25-year-old sitting in his house trading gold from his bedroom? They don't care, man. I'm gonna watch, guys. I'm gonna watch this 15 to see what it does. If it like rejects anywhere and closes down like here, anywhere around here in the middle of the range, I'm gonna call it. Okay. Yeah, that's it, Ben. Just you can have all the thoughts in the world. It's just about acting on them or not. Definitely. The annoying thing about gold here is if it breaks above, there's just no clear liquidity taken. Oh. Like, what this price action this week on gold's not been it. I want this back. This was insane. Like, I don't care what it does. It doesn't really bother me at all, like, if I take positions or not, because I know it will get better. It's just that the sessions that we've had this week been chopping sideways. But good week, guys. It's been a great week already. Like, you can't complain with a 2.7k payout in less than 10 trading days. Like, that's nothing. You know, it's like, can't complain. And we've got payout with Alpha being requested tonight after today's trading. Oh. Yeah, I'd expect anybody going short from here has the stops above, like so. Same for sells. Same for buys, sorry. Anybody buying from here? Stops here, looking for this play higher. Dun, dun. Mm, mm, mm. Look, nice breakout. You get a decent pullback, but then you push straight back into the range. Like, Goldie. What are you doing to me, bro? Yeah, I'm going to wait, guys. I'm just going to give it this 4 minutes, okay? I'll give it this 4 minutes. If it closes anywhere in the middle, like bang in the middle of here, then that'll be me done for the day. Not the day, sorry, the session. And all I'm going to do is set an alert here. Set an alert here, set an alert here, and be done. Let's see, we've got 3 minutes anyway, guys. We've got 3 minutes. Probably jump on a Discord community Zoom too. When we break out, that is. But yeah, nice work, Ben, not acting on anything. That's what it's all about. I feel like, don't get me wrong. Like, I still feel like, for example, if Price has this huge push and I don't get involved, I still feel FOMO. You know, I still feel, you know, like I want to get into a position and I want to catch it. Like, you still feel that emotion. That will never really go. But what does is just what I don't do is I don't act on that emotion, and that's the difference. You know, a lot of people will feel, you know, FOMO when they see a huge push. Okay, they'll see a huge push like this. They'll start looking to enter, getting FOMO when there's no valid trade, and they're acting on that emotion of FOMO. Like, I just don't act on that emotion. That's the difference. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, definitely. It'll never change, and I'm happy with. I'm happy to feel it. Doesn't. That's the thing. No one, anybody who says no, don't feel anything, this and that, they're just talking rubbish. Um, you'll still feel it. You'll still like, for example, I don't know. Even if you don't trade our style, and let's say you trade limit orders, if price comes so close to your order, or for example, it does tap your order, but spread doesn't take you in, for example, and it pushes to your TP, you'll definitely feel something. I don't care how long you've been trading, you'll still feel like a little bit of something. It's just the difference is you're just acting on it and not like, the more you don't act on it, the better it comes. And it's literally the same with everything. Like when you want to like leave trades running for longer, it's literally all about just doing it for a longer period of time. There's no thing that you can just like snap your fingers and say, all right, I'm not going to feel any emotion. I'm going to let my trades run for longer. No, you have to do it, build it up over a longer period of time, you know? Right, guys, I'm going to head off. I'm just going to go and stay active in the community, guys. What I'm going to do is I'll update everybody who's not in the community really quickly. I'm going to be setting an alert here at this level, and I'm setting an alert down here. I'm not doing anything within here, guys. Look to the left. Look to the left here. It chopped here all day almost. What could it do now? It could chop. Don't be looking to get chopped about in some horrible price action that we could see here. I'm literally leaving some alerts around here. Okay? First alert here, second alert here, and that's just going to be me. Okay? That is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for clauses above or clauses below. This is my range for now. This range could be updated. For example, let's say we do something like this. This range could be updated in the next 30 to 40 minutes if more structure presents itself. But the range with the structure we've got now is this, okay? So that is where I'm setting some alerts when I come off live. And I'm just going to go and stay active in the community, okay? So if the candlestick breaks above the line, do you wait for another one to form? Yeah, that's right. That's right, DK. If it breaks above, I'll wait for the candle to form correctly to push higher. There is some criteria for what I look for. I don't just execute. I wait for some stuff above the level, but normally you do get an entry. Alright, guys. But yeah, thanks for tuning in anyway. If you haven't already, guys, drop a like on the live. I appreciate it, okay? I appreciate it. But yeah, that's going to be me done, guys, okay? And community members, I'll see you in the community now, or in the next 5-10 minutes. And YouTube, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Make sure you tune in. I'll be on for live for the London session tomorrow as well. Try and stay on for a little bit longer, but I just don't want to sit here and chop. It's a waste of everybody's time when you can just set an alert here, and wait. This could be ranging for another hour or so, an hour or two, and it's not good for anybody, okay? So stay patient, wait for your closes above, wait for your closes below, and trade with the volume into the targets, okay? So that is what my analysis is looking like. So do as you want with that, but this is what I'm personally looking for. So yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.